Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to amend your tax return. Sometimes, mistakes happen, or you receive new information after filing. Don't worry, the IRS provides a clear process to correct these. We'll cover why you might need to amend, introduce you to the essential Form 1040X, and discuss the typical 3-year window you have to make these changes. It's simpler than you might think to get your tax information accurate. To begin, collect your original tax return and any new documents, like a corrected Form W-2 or 1099, that necessitate the change. Next, you'll complete Form 1040X. This form has specific sections to show your original figures, the adjustments, and the corrected amounts. Remember to use digits for all financial figures. Most importantly, use Part Roman III of the form to provide a clear, concise explanation for each change you are making. After filling out Form 1040X, you'll need to recalculate your tax liability based on the new information. If your changes affect other forms, like Schedule for itemized deductions, be sure to complete and attach those revised schedules. Once everything is accurate, print and mail your entire package, including Form 1040X and any supporting documents, to the appropriate IRS address. You can find this address in the Form 1040X instructions. Once you've mailed your amended return, patience is key. The IRS generally advises allowing up to 16 weeks for processing, as these returns often require manual review. You can easily check the status of your amended return online using the Where's My Amended Return tool on the IRS website. Just enter your Social Security number, date of birth, and zip code. Also, for other great deals, like those leak-proof containers to simplify your meal prep, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.